Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today, we are DIY crafting a version of our generation's new hot chocolate stand. It's a wonderful, compact playset, perfect for the winter season in our dolly world. This video focuses on making the stand itself. In part 2, we will show ways to craft the food items and accessories. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to help our channel grow. So, let's get making. We used white foam board for the majority of this project. You may wish to pause the screen here for our cut list. Begin with the storage unit. Adhere the base piece to the back wall. We are using liquid glue, but you could use hot glue for a faster method. Attach the left and right side walls. Lay the box down. Take your fridge door and place it inside on the right. Now we can mark in pencil the position of our dividing wall. Next, draw horizontal lines at 7 cm and 14 cm. These will be for the fridge shelves. Measure and mark corresponding lines on the right side wall and back wall. With an X-Acto blade or Stanley knife, partially cut the foam board on all the shelf lines to make grooves. Take your 2 plastic shelves and slide them into the tracks. Because we chose thick plastic from doll packaging, it helped to insert and withdraw the plastic a few times. Check to see that all the grooves match up. Then remove the shelves from the box. It's time to paint all the internal storage unit parts brown. Keep aside the fridge and dishwasher door. We want to add more details. With a ruler and scoring tool, emboss lines for the grates at the bottom of each piece. Next, draw and cut out a window from the dishwasher door, leaving a 1 cm border as seen. Repeat for the fridge door, leaving a 1.5 cm border. They can now be painted gold. Cut rectangles of thinner plastic packaging and glue to the inside of the door pieces. Once the unit is dry, slide the fridge shelves into place, then add the dividing wall. Following this, adhere the stacked pieces of foam board for the dishwasher floor. Dry fit the dishwasher door so we can get correct placement for the small shelf. Using the toothpick method, insert half a toothpick through the base of the unit. Slide the door onto this peg. Then glue down the top piece. Now push the other half of the toothpick through the top piece and into the door. Onto the dishwasher door, mark a horizontal partial cut 2 cm from the base to split the foam core, but not the top paper layer. Check you are cutting the back side of the door. Glue this hinge section to the ledge created by the stacked floor pieces. Cut a 2 by 10.5 cm rectangle on paperboard for the control panel and paint it gold. Using more paperboard, let's get to work on the front of the storage unit. Mark and cut rectangles the same dimension as the front and 2 side walls. Include a 1 cm vertical tab on the side wall panels so we can attach them to the storage unit later. Next, score 5 evenly spaced lines on each panel to help our paperboard look more like wood planks. Draw and cut out a piece that looks like dripping chocolate. Paint everything brown. Adhere your panel by first gluing the tabs to the side walls. Follow with the front panel and then the drip piece. Onto the counter. Trace curved ends on the countertop. For this, we found packaging that had the right diameter. Cut out. Flip over and position where you want the dowel poles to go. Trace around them, then cut out the circles to give the poles more stability. Paint the countertop and spacer piece brown. Then glue atop the storage unit. We can now glue down the front and short ledges, making an L shape, followed by the ledge shelf. We spray painted our pieces gloss cream. For the hot chocolate menu sign, we used black cardstock. Referencing an OG stock image off screen, freehand draw the menu with a white gel pen. Trace and cut a matching curve on the top of your sign wall, then glue on the menu board. Generously fill the wells in the countertop with glue, then insert your 4 poles. Now put the glue on the exposed foam cord of the sign and position between the poles. We almost glued the sign wall to the wrong side of the stand, but since we used liquid glue, we had time to remove this piece and fix our mistake. Next, attach the little sign wall shelf 6 centimeters from the top. We also glued on a strip of 5mm foam board for the dishwasher handle and another for the fridge. Measure the distance from the 2 poles and over the arched sign to determine the width of our awning. Mark and cut from more paperboard. Ours is 26 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Add on 2 tabs at 2.5 centimeters wide. Bend them to make a V shape. Paint your awning cream. Attach the awning over the top of the stand and the piece is complete. We hope you enjoyed this DIY hot chocolate stand tutorial and come back soon to see part 2, the food items and accessories. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.